Fibra.
CCB of Bangalore City Police was developing some leads for last 1 month, and as a part of that exercise, last month we recovered around 204 kg of ganja. And during this exercise, it was revealed that one government official was participating in parties, and he was also, all these parties were high-end parties, and they were consuming liquor, or not only liquor but also certain drugs. So when this lead was developed, it was found that this particular person was working as clerk in Road Transport Office, RT Jayanagar, and once this person was secured and analysis of his mobile phone was made, it was found that he has been active in party circle, and he was known for taking drugs, and he was also maintaining relationship with one actress. And after that, when he was examined in detail, it was revealed that there were many people. He revealed names of many people, and some of them were organizing parties, some of them were helping them in getting drugs also. So based on that, a case has been taken up in Cottonpet Police Station of Bangalore City Police, and investigation has been taken up by CCB, and he has been arrested in the case. So this person has revealed certain names which are also being investigated into, and along with him one more person by name Rahul has been secured. This person is a realtor. He has also he's also architect, and he claims to be an interior designer also. He has some real estate interests in another country, neighboring country, and it is known that he frequently travels between these two countries. And these two have been arrested. The matter is under investigation, and whatever they have disclosed, it will be taken up during the further investigation.
So, how did the actor's name come into play? You have summoned her, and then today you raided her house. How did she come into the links?
This particular actress has been, she has been maintaining close contact with him. She has also participated in parties along with him, and they have a very close relationship. And there was certain other digital evidence which shows their proximity and their other connections.
So, and how many people have arrested? And these two arrested were peddlers or consumers?
So right now we have arrested only 2 people, and these 2 people, so far it shows that they are consumers as well as they are peddlers.
Is there a deeper role of other actors involved in this? Is there a possibility that you could summon more or give notices?
Certainly, many more people will come. They have to come and they have to participate in investigation. Their roles in the overall drug circulation as well as consumption will be examined.
So, as national channel, the biggest question for all of us is this also related to what is happening in Mumbai today, because Mumbai also a lot of drug cases are there today. Bollywood and Sandalwood. Is there any link between the peddlers or actors or any such thing?
So far, the information which I shared with you, that's all available with us. And we are investigating into all possibilities.
Is it
Some
safe
people
to say
spoke about Imtiaz Khatri and a party that he hosted in 2017 in Bangalore, and he was from Mumbai, and some Bollywood superstars along with Sandalwood superstars attended these parties. Now, through these electronic evidence that you've gathered in the last couple of days, any of these links that you found?
Say, whatever we have found so far, I have revealed before you. Okay? So, yeah.
Is it safe to say this is an isolated case?
Many more people
As of now?
See, I think you are in great hurry. We have to wait because such investigation take time. We are investigating into. I don't want to say whether isolated or it is not an isolated. Okay, we are investigating. ನೀವು A ಇಂದ Z ವರೆಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಉತ್ತರ ಇವತ್ತೇ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಕೆಲಸ ಇವತ್ತೇ ಮುಗಿದೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. one by one ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ full investigation ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Sir, there have been some reports that the researches that were conducted here initially with the NCB have been connected to certain links with Mumbai as well. Any sort of links in the everyday investigation
I
of
think
Mumbai?
you are getting too much of guesswork, but right now focus only on this type of investigation, what I have revealed you just now.
ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಒಬ್ರು ಪತ್ರಕರ್ತರು ಬಂದು ಇಂದ್ರಜಿತ್ ಲಂಕೇಶ್ ಬಂದು ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ದೇ ಆದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್?
Certain informations were given by him regarding the past incidents, okay, and some names. And our officers have been working on certain leads for quite some time. It was question those things are happening simultaneously.